Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you another recipe, that is parande fry. It is too tasty. I must try this recipe. It is a too spicy and unforgettable taste. Let's see how to make a gizzard fry. We call it as a parande. First you have to take a parande and add salt and turmeric powder and pour some water and mix it well with your hand. Mix. Once you finish mixing, turn on the gas and boil it 10 to 15 minutes. It's enough, I think. After that, take a coriander leaf, lemon, chili and chopped onion. Pour some oil and put chopped onion and chili and fry it 1 minute is enough. After that, add garlic ginger paste, roast it, then add half tablespoon of salt and 1 spoon of turmeric powder and chicken masala, chili powder, coriander powder, and fry it. Fry all the onion, chili and masalas in the oil in low flame. Then add boiled parande. Mix it well. Once you finish mixing, squeeze off lemon and the last procedure, put coriander leaf. I will catch you in the next video. Tata! Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.